This fun pumpkin box is great to hold your Halloween treats or to just decorate around the house. It's easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need a round craft box, an empty toilet paper roll, brown and orange acrylic paint, a black permanent marker, a paintbrush, scissors, Mod Podge, thick white craft glue, and a green pipe cleaner. Cut the toilet paper roll to the size that you want the stem to be. Depending on the size of your box, you might want to make the stem narrower. So I'm going to cut through one side and glue it to overlap to make it a little bit narrower. And I'm going to put a clip on it to hold it in place until it dries. To make a top for the stem, I'm going to cut the rest of the toilet paper tube so that I can open it up and trace around the top of the stem, cut it out, and glue it on. Set the stem aside to dry completely. Now paint the box and the lid with the orange acrylic paint. You might want to let the first coat dry and then do a second coat for full coverage. Paint the stem brown. Once all the paint is completely dry, put the lid back on the box. Use the black permanent marker to draw on your jack-o'-lantern face. Draw the outline first and then fill it in. Use thick white craft glue to glue the stem to the top of the lid. Now you can add a coat of Mod Podge to the whole project if you would like. This step is optional. When the Mod Podge and the glue is all dry, wrap the pipe cleaner around the base of the stem and twist it once or twice to hold it in place. Then with one side, form a leaf shape. And with the other side, twist it around your marker to make a spiral, and then pull out the end to arrange it the way you would like. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday and other craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.